The 2024 Suzuki S-Cross is a small SUV that maintains its compact size while offering modern features and hybrid technology. Let's explore its key aspects. The S-Cross retains its original dimensions, but adds advanced safety aids and hybrid engines. Available in two trims, Motion and Ultra, it offers front-wheel drive or all-grip four-wheel drive. The Ultra trim includes a panoramic sunroof and a 360-degree parking camera. The S-Cross provides a comfortable ride with its soft suspension, though it lacks the engaging handling of rivals like the Ford Puma. Its light steering aids low-speed maneuvers, while the all-grip system enhances traction on slippery surfaces. The 1.4-liter engine offers better performance than the 1.5-liter hybrid. Inside, the S-Cross features a simple layout with a high infotainment screen. The Ultra trim adds part leather seats, though they lack lumbar support. Visibility is excellent, aided by standard parking sensors and a rear-view camera. The infotainment system includes Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The S-Cross offers generous front space and decent rear legroom. The boot provides 430 liters of space in the mild hybrid version, though the hybrid's battery reduces capacity. Starting at 22,482 pounds, the S-Cross is competitively priced among hybrids. It comes with essential features like adaptive cruise control and heated seats, making it a practical choice.